bought this online. It's a cheap $100 jackhammer from eBay, and I'm going to open it up and see what it's like. Pair of gloves, some sort of chuck thing, grease, glasses, the bits, drill bit, comes with a pre-tangled lead, pointy bit. So this is it, hammer, drill, hammer and drill. Wonder if it just hammers. Anyway, I suppose I'll find out. Oh, there we go, hammer. Push that button in, turn it to hammer. That's what I want it for mainly. I've already got a hammer drill, not as big as this, but size doesn't matter. That's the bit that I particularly want. There we go. Got some other bits here, I don't know what they are. Bigger drill bit, probably another drill bit. This thing, I have no idea what that's for. Anyway, decided to put a bit of grease on this. That's probably what the grease is for. There we go. Also got my earmuffs. Now we'll go to the jackhammer testing facility. The chuck turns, it's annoying. So it starts off flat, it ends up sort of turned. Yeah, so it seems okay. We'll see how long it lasts, obviously, but no, it's not ripping through this stuff super quick, but it's getting through it. This is just sandstone. I got through a bit of stuff, so seems to be working. But one thing that's happened is this grip seems to have, something's gone wrong. So there's something wrong inside this thing. Yeah, so you can see the way that it's supposed to work. That little T-shaped thing on the end of there is supposed to go through these slots. This in there, and that in there. That's how it's supposed to be. Sort of feeds in there, out there, goes on there. So that little T-piece may not have actually been in there properly. We'll see. Seems to have fixed it. See how it goes. So based on the price, it's certainly quite effective on this rock. Other than that little handle issue, it worked out alright, and the bit rotating is a little bit annoying, but you get used to it. You sort of change where you're digging depending on what the bit's doing. got out quite a bit. But overall, so far it seems alright. The big question will be how long it lasts.